All right, guys, we're gonna do our math. Today you're gonna need page 457, 457, and you're gonna need page, I got it in the wrong order, 451 and 457. 457, 451. Okay, we're gonna start with 451. We're going to start with page 451, this one. Okay, if you have your little manipulatives, go ahead and grab them. If you don't have them, then that's okay. Okay, so right now we're going to practice counting tens like we did earlier in the week. So remember, there were two ways of doing this. If we're counting a 10, it means we're counting a group of 10, right? And when the number looks like this, we're counting ones. We're counting all the little squares. So if we know this part, then that helps us figure out this part, because if you notice, the three tens is equal to 30, and 4 tens is equal to 40. So if we know this part, we can also solve this part. Okay, let's get started. So 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, plus 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens do we have? How many groups of 10? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens, 7 groups of 10. Now over here, we can do this two ways. We know that this one has 30, 10, 20, 30, and then we're going to add these. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that's 70 tens, or 70, I'm sorry. And there's another way of doing this. We can look at the 3 and the 4 because they're in the same place value. They're both the first number. 3 plus 4 is 7. And then we look at the ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, let's do number 2. 110 plus 2 tens. 1, 2. How many tens is that? That's 1, 2, 3 tens. And 10 plus 20. So this is 10, 20, 30. 30. So if we were to count every single square here, we would have 30 squares. And another way of adding it is doing 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 0 plus 0 equals 0. Okay. So let's try number 3, 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 tens plus 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. So we're going to count how many groups of 10 we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. And then we have 50 plus 40. So we already know that this is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So I have 90. Again, another way of doing this would be 5 plus 4 because it's the tens place value. And then we do the ones place value. 0 plus 0 is 0. I want you to pause the video and I want you to try numbers 4 and 5 by yourself. and then we're going to check our answer. Okay, number 4 says 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, plus 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. So 3 groups of 10 and 3 groups of 10. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. If we put them all together, we have 6 groups of 10. 6 tens. If this is 6 tens, all we're going to do is add a 0 over here. 3 plus 3 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. And let's make sure that we have 60. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So yeah, if I were to count every single square, I have 60 little squares. 3 tens, 1, 2, 3 tens. I'm looking at number 5 now. Plus 5 tens. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many tens do we have? Oh, sorry. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. And then how many little cubes do we have? So if we put these all together, we have 3 plus 5 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. So now let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Good, I have 80. It does match. Let's turn the page. So we have 2 tens and 2 tens equals 2 plus 2 is 4 tens. Now 2 tens is equal to 20 and 2 tens is equal to 20. Because if I have 2 groups of 10 and I count all of these little squares, it's 20. This is one group of 10, one group of 10. 10, 20. So this says 2 tens. Oh, I'm so sorry. Plus 2 tens. 20 plus 20. All together, we can count it 2 ways. We can count the cubes. We can go 10, 20, 30, 40. Or we can add the numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 tens is equal to 40. Over here we have 7 tens is equal to 70. 1 10 is 10. How many tens do we have altogether? 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 tens. So 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 1 10. That equals 8 tens. 70. So this is 70. Plus 10 equals. So we can count the cubes. We can say 70. Put 70 in my head and then count on. 70, 80. Or I can just add the numbers. 7 plus 1 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, 2 tens. 1, 2. Plus 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. How many tens are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now 20 plus 30, that equals 20, 30, 40, 50. Or we can do 2 plus 3 equals 5, 0 plus 0 equals 0. Finally, we have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3 tens. Plus 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 6 tens. 3 plus 6 is, let's count, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. And then we have 30 plus 60. So we can either say 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Or we can add the numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9. 0 plus 0 is 0. And we get the same answer. Okay, number 10 says, today 40 people played miniature golf in the afternoon. So let's underline what we know. 40 people played miniature golf in the afternoon. 30 more people played in the evening. 30 more. And remember that key word? Circle it. More means addition. More. 30 more people played in the evening. How many people played miniature golf in all? Another key word is in all. In all also means addition. So if we had 40 people play and then 30 people played, and we're doing addition, how many people played in all? So we can say 4 plus 3 is 7, 0 plus 0 is 0, and then we'll double check our answer with our cubes. So if 40 people played, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 30 more people played, 10, 20, 30, and in all means we're going to put them all together. Let's see, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yes, our answer matches, 70. All right, and our last question says 4 tens plus 4 tens. So we can look at our number 4 and 4. 4 tens and 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8 tens. Let's make sure. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. We have 8 tens. Okay, now we're going to look at page 257. If you need a break, go ahead and pause the video and go take a break. Okay. This one we're going to be counting on to find the sum or the addition. Number 1 says count on to add, write the sum. So we have number 27 plus number 30. 20, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, plus 10, 20, 30. So we can count these. We can say, okay, 27, how many groups of 10 do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 groups of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So 27 plus 30 is 57. Another way of doing this is by looking at my chart. You can use your number chart, but I think this is probably the easier way. Let's look at number 2, 74 plus 3. So 74 has 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 tens and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to add 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So in addition, did we add any groups of 10? Did we add another group of 10? No. So we're still going to have 7 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70, and then we're going to add these. 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 77. Okay, 66 plus 3. Now, if I don't have these counters, I can draw pictures here. So I'm going to draw out 66. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then I don't have a group of 10 over here. I have 6 ones. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So these are my groups of 10 and these are my ones. So I still have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I still have 60 tens. And now I'm going to count my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So 66 plus 3 equals 69. 12 plus 10. 12 plus 70, I'm sorry. 12 plus 70. So let's draw it out. 12 is, I'm going to do it up here because I don't have room. 12 is 10, 11, 12 plus 70. So how many groups of 10 am I going to need? So we need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So let's see how many groups of 10 we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens and how many ones? 1, 2. So 12 plus 70 is 82. Okay, I want you to pause the video and go try the worksheet on your own and then come back to check your answers. 51 plus 3. So this one I can count on because I'm adding a really small number. So I'm taking the big number, 51, and I'm going to put it in my head. Remember I told you save it in your head. And I'm going to put up 3 fingers. 3 fingers. Because I'm going to add 3. So I'm going to count 51, 52, 53, 54. So my answer is 54. Let's try this one the same way because we're adding a small number. I'm going to take the big number, 87, and I'm going to put it in my head. And then with my fingers, I'm going to put up how many numbers I'm going to add. 87 plus 1. So it's 87, 88. Okay, this one, there are many ways I can do this. One, I can draw it out, or I can add the numbers. Look it. When I'm adding, I just go straight down. 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. So my answer should be 52. Let's check it by drawing it out. So we have 32, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, plus 20, plus 10, 20. So let's count how many groups of 10 we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 groups of 10 and 2 ones. Good job. 46 plus 10. Let's draw this one out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Plus 10. Plus 10. So how many groups of 10 do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So my answer is 56. Let's check it the other way. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. 97 plus 2. This one I can do in my head because I'm only adding a really small number. So I'm going to take the big number and I'm going to put that one in my memory, 97. And I'm going to add 2 more, 97, 98, 99. So my answer is 99. Okay, let's do, give me 1 second. Okay, now I want you to try 10, 11, and 12 on your own. I'm going to do number 13 with you, and then we'll be done. The children's choir sang 17 songs. So we know that they sang 17 songs on Wednesday and 2 songs on Thursday. How many songs did they sing in all? What's our key word? In all tells us that we're going to add. So they sang 17 songs on Wednesday and 2 songs on Thursday. And we know that we're going to add because it says in all. Now this one's adding a really small number, so we can do this in our head. We're going to take the big number and we're going to put it in our minds. 17, and we're going to count on 17, 18, 19. I'm only adding 2 numbers. So I'm putting 17, 18, 19. So my answer is 19. Let's check it. 7 plus 2 is 7, 8, 9. And then we bring the 1 down. 19. Good. I want you to try these 3 on your own and number 14. Okay? Good luck.